are going to meet some amazing insects. Butterfly.
Look, a butterfly, colorful and bright, flying happily in the light.
Here's an ant, tiny and small, crawling slowly, that's all.
Buzz, buzz, it's a bee, flying busy, happy and free.
A mosquito with a long nose, buzzing everywhere it goes.
See the fly, tiny and fast, zipping by as it zooms past.
Grasshopper jumps so high, hopping up into the sky.
A ladybug red with spots so neat, crawling slowly, looking sweet.
Dragonfly. Look, a dragonfly with shiny wings,
flying near the water springs.
A beetle with a shiny shell, walking slowly, all is well.
Caterpillar, see the caterpillar on a leaf, crawling gently, short and brief.
Spider. Here's a spider spinning a thread, making a web for its bed.
Cricket sings a chirpy song, jumping happily all day long.
Wasp with yellow and black stripes, flying around, buzzing types.
Termite.
Here's a termite, tiny and quick, chewing wood with a little trick. Moth with wings so light, flying softly in the night.
Cockroach, look, a cockroach, shiny and brown, running fast around the ground.
Firefly. A firefly glowing in the night,
tiny bug with a shining light.
Praying mantis. See the praying mantis tall, folding arms and watching all.
Flea, a flea so tiny, jumping high, bouncing quickly, oh my, oh my.
Earwig, here's an earwig, not too tall, crawling gently,
not scary at all.
Great job, kids! You learned so many insects today. Keep watching our animals series to discover more amazing creatures. Look, a lion, the king of the jungle.
Wow!
A tiger with bright stripes.
Wow!
An elephant with a big trunk. See that tall giraffe with a long neck. A zebra with black and white stripes. Look, a bear standing strong in the forest. A fox sneaking through the trees. See that wolf howling at the moon. A monkey is jumping on the tree. Look, a kangaroo hopping with a pouch. Wow, a panda munching bamboo. See that leopard with cool spots. Look, a deer running through the forest.
Wow!
A hippo splashing in the water. See that rhino with a big horn. A crocodile hiding near the river. Look, a snake slithering on the branch. Wow! An eagle soaring in the sky. See that camel walking in the desert. Look, a gorilla beating its chest. Wow! A cheetah running super fast. See that owl perched on a tree at night. A hyena laughing loudly. Look, a sloth hanging slowly from the tree. Wow! A chimpanzee clapping its hands, so pretty. A peacock spreading its feathers. Look, an ostrich running very fast. Wow! A flamingo standing on one leg. See that parrot talking on the branch. Look, a tortoise walking slowly on the grass. A turtle swimming underwater. Look, a frog jumping on the lily pad. Wow! A bat flying in the night sky. See that hedgehog curled into a ball. A squirrel holding a nut. Look, an antelope running gracefully. Wow! A buffalo grazing on green grass. See that bison standing mighty in the prairie. A wild boar sniffing the the ground. Look, a jackal howling under the moon. See that lynx crouching in the snowy forest. Wow, a polar bear walking on ice. Look, a reindeer with big antlers. Ha ha ha, a seal clapping its flippers happily. See that walrus lying on ice with tusks. Wow, a whale jumping out of the ocean. Ha ha ha, a dolphin swimming and jumping in the sea. Look, an octopus spreading its 8 arms.